Look good.
Do you?
What happened? Like where? Sure. See with the light. Hi.
Are you excited?
Yes. We are here in the pool.
So the first one we always go with this close.
Hello.
But we
Hello.
found this one.
Hello.
Point it at you.
Hello. Point to where?
Point it at you.
Okay. Yeah?
We found this one. Right there. Oh my god. Camille looks too cute.
I know. Well, we should have brought her a hair tie.
Oh, they like that. Ain't that in sports mode?
This one is fine. No!
No.
Wow, that was the cleanest milk That's the cleanest milk I've ever heard from her.
Right? Look, we can hold it like this.
I think that's done,
Yeah? You want to lock it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get the umbrella.
Okay.
Give me a second.
No problem.
Don't take funny here.
Hopefully we don't get badly sunburned since we didn't bring sunscreen. Wow, look how beautiful it looks. Oh, do you smell the seawater? Me too. Okay, let's not fall here.
Why does it look like
What does that mean? Okay. Precious. It's yellow.
it looks like a painting?
At least it's not red.
Why?
What does yellow mean?
red?
Just caution?
Yeah.
Oh, because of the moon, remember?
Why?
It's probably like because of the moon tide. I don't know. Yeah, it's packed Sunday. Oh, it looks. Yeah. Go ahead. Oh, nice, right? Okay, Milis.
Why are you
Recording and shit. For like. Yeah, I could get in the shade. It just feels good right here. I'm actually on top of the sand. The party. I found the container that I lost. Look, remember how I always get the empty containers, and I bought one specifically to make us the scrub, and I lost the lid.
Yeah.
This is where I got it. Now where is it? These are the ones that I don't know if I should get, so I'm gonna take a video because I don't know if this and this one. I don't know which one to get. Stiletto round, stiletto round. It was around. So many things. Oh, I'm getting these boxes. And they have the colors that I love. And this blue. I love it. What else? Oh, look, they have the bigger ones. I got small ones, huh? Maybe I'll get a white one. Because we're looking at every aisle. Oh, I'm gonna need this too, but that's big. Oh, you know what, baby? I broke this one. I need this. No, I'm not gonna need this. Should I get this or the little one since it's just for me?
Johnny.
You love this cup?
Yeah.
Look at it.
It's cute.
I know, right? Daddy, I'm just gonna keep it forever.
You
I'm
should.
gonna show Grandma. I'm gonna bring this and show Grandma.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Gianni, every time we come here, he's always in the video, like, all of this stuff. This is what I should get for the cat. Oh, maybe this is where Kimberly got these.
Did I gonna get that birthday thing?
This is for feet and that's for hands. Well, you think I should?
Well, then you said you needed it because you broke it.
I did break it and I do need it.
11 or 14 says
Okay, I'll get it. I guess. Where is it? Is it on this side? Oop. Alright, I will grab it. But I'm gonna tell them that over there it says that hurts. Who, me? You think so? I'll be alright.
And another one.
She don't want to. He did. You want to help me? Or maybe it's there. Oh my gosh, so much stuff, baby. So it looks like seashell glass, like sea glass. Let's see. Fine.
Dad, could you have my drink? Oh. I think Cleo likes the cup too.
Ooh, there's Hello Kitty things in here.
Get it!
No.
Why?
Because I don't think I'm going to use that.
I'm gonna use it.
Okay.
No, you're not. 'Cause that's for nails.
Yeah, that's for inside the nails.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. I needed these.
I guess she means that when you're gonna do her nails.
Probably. Well, I won't get that. I wanted those shell thingies.
All this stuff is for nails?
Wait a minute. I think I found it. It was behind here. Let's see. It was these. But I don't know if maybe I'm just going to order them online because the ones on Amazon have a bunch of the colors.
Can you put her back, seat her back? Hold on, I got it. Can I get one of those?
Yeah. Do you have barbecue? Buffalo barbecue?
I'm gonna get barbecue.
Do you want one?
Yeah.
Give her that one. What's your
It's open, so be careful, please.
He does get like that at home too. Yesterday I made chicken and he only ate a little bit. But he had just eaten a sandwich and I was like, why did you eat? And then he's like, and I'm like, what did you eat today? He's like, oh, and the sandwich. I'm like, well, you could have said, oh, I just ate. Maybe that's what you're just worrying me at this point.
Riley, close that window, please.
All right, let's go.
Close the
Let's see what we find at Goodwill.
No, good one.
Why?
The air quality.
The air quality. It was like dirty. Bathroom break. $4. That's a lot for that. What? Hulas.
I'm wearing these shoes. They're uncomfortable.
Yeah. So I got this, and the girls got this. What is this? Here?
Blocks, like blocks.
$4, and the other thing was $4, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes being impatient is bad because I used to